Hi guys, welcome back to Sarah's Lifestyle, guys. I hope all is well with you and I hope your days are blessed. Guys, today is 90 degrees here in New York. 90 degrees, guys. I cannot complain because when winter comes, we complain that it's too cold. But 90 degrees, guys, it's not even summer yet. It's still spring and we are having these hot weather. But guys, I am going to enjoy it. And, I'm not going to stay long in the kitchen because, as I said, it's too hot. And when it's hot like this, who wants to spend time in the kitchen? So today we're going to make something easy, simple, and tasty. So today is Fish Fry Day, guys. So we're going to fry some fish. I'm not making too much fish because remember, guys, I'm only cooking for me. Sometimes I might make for two people, maybe three, but most of the time it's either one or two. So today I'm gonna make a fish fry and I don't know what to make with it. I have some cassava, so maybe I'll make some cassava chip and maybe something else. We'll see, we'll see. We'll just go along. So continue watching. But guys, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe so we can able to grow the channel. So continue watching and you would see how I make my fish. Okay guys, fish. So this is the fish. I have two big pieces here of fish. I'm gonna season it. I also add some shrimps here, and there was like leftover shrimp, so gotta be creative in the kitchen. So we'll see what we do with that shrimp. It's not much, but take this out. So we're gonna season the fish. Okay, so now that the fish is seasoned, I'm gonna go over to the stove and I'm gonna, well, the oil is already really hot, so let's go before over to the I stove. Put my fish in the pot, I'm gonna add some garlic and some pimento seed. And why I'm doing that is because I want the flavors to get absorbed into the oil just for a little bit and then I'll remove it. I want the oil and the pimento seed to get absorbed into the oil. It's fresh garlic and pimento seed, guys. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna put the fish in the hot oil. Okay, guys. So the fish is all seasoned. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slightly coat it with some flour, not much. The flour is just to hold it. And I'm gonna drop it in the oil. Okay, so I'm gonna let it fry on one side and I'll flip it over. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other fish. Just slightly cover it with some flour. And the flour just to hold it so that it doesn't break into pieces. But we don't need to put too much flour, just enough to hold it. Same thing I'm gonna do with the shrimps, because I'm gonna fry the shrimps also. Make some crispy shrimps. Okay, we're gonna wait till the other one finish, and then we're gonna put the other fish in the pot. Okay, guys, so it's all done. I like it want to break. I don't want it to break. Oh my goodness. Okay, I put the other one in. And I'm going to do the same thing. Let it brown on one side, then I flip it over. I peeled some cassava and I cut it up in the some small forms so I can fry. And this is going to be the cassava chips. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to put it to boil, but I'm not going to let it overcook. And then I'll fry it. I'll show you guys. Okay, guys. So in a pot of water with salt to taste, I'm going to add a little salt, not much. Then I'm going to add my cassava. So let it cook. But what I'll do, let it cook for a little bit, not much, because I don't want it overcooked. Just a little bit. Okay, guys, so now the cassava that I had in the water boiling, I'm going to fry it. And that's the reason why I didn't want it overcooked, because once you put it in the oil, it's still going to cook all over again. So there has to be a balance. I'm going to flip it over just now. So guys, I'm also making some coleslaw, and it's not much because it's just for me. Put a little mayonnaise. This is some carrots and cabbage. And what I did, I chopped up the carrot. I shredded the carrot and the cabbage. I added a little mayonnaise and some black pepper, and that's it. Little black pepper. And it's all done. That's it, guys. Go slow. Guys, now the shrimp is fried. I'm going to take it out too. Okay, guys, this is the fish fry. We have some shrimps, we have the fish, wasabi chips, and some coleslaw. Nice, guys, really nice. So, we're going to go over to taste time and enjoy this meal. Okay, guys, it's taste time. So, let's taste the fish. First, we're going to taste the fish. Let's see how it came out. The fish. Okay, solid. Shrimp. Shrimp tastes good. Coleslaw. Guys, when you find yourself with a platter like this with different things, you don't know where to start. But as I said, it's delicious and I'm going to enjoy it. Sorry that you guys can't taste it, but if I was to go to a seafood restaurant and order a platter like this with shrimp and fish, you know, guys, how much I'll be paying? I wouldn't even want to mention it. Whereas I make it myself and it's free, except for me buying the groceries, but it comes out cheaper this way. If you know to cook, it shouldn't be a problem. But for those that don't know to cook and depend on others to cook your food, it's costly. But in any way, you still can learn. You still can learn. The cooking is not that hard. You just want to do it and have patience, and if you like to eat, that helps you. It's really nice. I don't eat fried food that often, but sometimes I treat myself, like today. You know, once in a while, I don't think it would hurt, so. Be careful with bone. The fish. Cassava chip is nice. I don't think I'll be able to eat all this fish. It's too much. I'll eat up to where I can, and then I'll save the rest. Mm. Mm. This shrimp would have been just enough for me. Mm-hmm. Mm. So nice. Mm. When you don't eat something that often, and you eat it after, it's so delicious. But as I say, I don't eat fried food that often, so that's why. The chips are nice. The yuca chips. Mmm. Cassava. Mmm. Mmm. Fish is nice. This is I think this fish is blue snapper. If I'm not mistaken. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.